Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Jaguar I-PACE versus the Tesla Model Y. First, we'll analyze their acceleration, noting the I-PACE for 5 seconds 0 to 60 time. Next, we'll examine battery range, where the Model Y long range offers 330 miles. Finally, we'll discuss charging speeds and overall power output, including horsepower and torque figures. This will give you a clear picture of their performance capabilities. Moving inside, we'll evaluate the cabin space and cargo capacity of each vehicle. The Model Y generally offers more practical storage. We'll then review their infotainment systems, comparing screen sizes and user interfaces. Finally, we'll highlight the array of driver assistance technologies available, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, ensuring a safe and connected driving experience in both electric SUVs. Now, let's discuss the driving dynamics and overall ownership experience. We'll assess ride comfort and handling, noting the I-PACE sportier feel. Then, we'll compare their starting prices and available trim levels, which can vary significantly. Finally, we'll touch upon potential maintenance expenses and insurance costs, helping you understand the long-term financial commitment for each electric SUV. To conclude, the Jaguar I-PACE offers a luxurious, engaging drive, while the Tesla Model Y provides impressive range and practical space. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a sporty, premium feel or maximum efficiency and utility. Consider your daily commute, family needs, and budget carefully. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.